Welcome. This is a video to show you the Patreon presets for January 2024. The pack includes presets for Vital and Serum. Let's take a listen to the Vital presets. Flexor. Next we have Plaster. Oh yeah. That one's nasty. Trail Blaster. That's gross. Banned. Netter better. That's disgusting right there. Next up we have Digibulb. Clarity Infirma. New Deer. Plode. Skelter. Gaslight. And lastly, a nice little pad. Let's take a look at the presets for Serum. God Rays. That one is disgusting. Reptile. Schist. Oh my gosh. That's gross. Smasher. Blabby. Bungee. Spin Daddy. So those are the sounds for January 2024 Patreon presets.